In certain of the databases, you are able to log in and create lists of documents and organize them into folders so that from one session to another, you'll be able to access the information that you've saved from your research. So in order to set up an account, you're going to click Login. And the first time you set up your account, you're going to click New User, Sign Up. You're going to put in your name, first name, last name, your email address. So use your WHPS email address and retype it, and then create a password that you're going to remember. Answer a security question. Accept the terms of the license agreement, and uncheck the Keep Me Informed about Cengage Learning products and promotions so you won't receive a flurry of emails. And then click Continue. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in using my account. I just clicked Login at the top. And you can see this takes you right to your account dashboard, and it recognizes you. It'll have your name up here, so you'll know you're signed in. So always look for your name up at the top. And here you are going to be able to create a folder where you can put your research. And again, this is a benefit if you're doing research and you want to go back to it at another time, it will be there in your folder from one time to another. So I'm going to click on Default Folder under Marked Items. And you can see here, everything would go into your default folder unless you created a new one. So you can create a new folder by clicking on Create Folder. And you can name it something that will make sense to you. So I'm going to name mine Brazil. I can even name it Brazil Research. And I'm going to click Go. And now you can see under Marked Items, I actually have two folders. I still have the default folder. That's if I don't tell the database where to save it, it'll go into the default folder if I mark it to be saved. And I also have Brazil Research. So just to show you how this works, if I did a search up here using the search bar and I just typed in Brazil, which you would do a more advanced search than that, but just to give you an example, let's say that I was interested in this article after doing some research, and I wanted to add it to my folder. So I'm going to click on it. That actually marks the item for me. And then if I go to Marked List, you can see that right now it's actually saved in the default folder, and I can change that by using the drop-down menu and choosing Brazil Research and then moving it there. Okay, so now here's my Brazil Research folder with that article in it, my default folder with nothing in it, and you can just keep adding to your research folder so that as you are going to be doing more and more research, you'll have a list of all of the sources that you have used. And that's how you set up a folder and how you log in so that you can have an account to save research from one session to another.